Emily, a nutritional therapist, and I'm here to talk to you about Acti-Labs mineral replacement shakes. As I'm sure you're aware, weight loss only really happens when you're eating less calories than you're using, and when you're giving your body the nutrients it needs with super healthy food. If you try and trick the system, then it can end up in number 1, not feeling great, number 2, not really losing any weight at all, and number 3, getting caught in that vicious yo-yo dieting cycle. So the aim of the game is to keep calories low and nutrients really high. And I know it sounds really easy, and weight loss isn't always easy. It can be quite difficult, and for some people they can lose weight relatively quickly, and for others it takes a bit more time. Wherever you are on your weight loss journey, Acti-Labs is here to try and make it easier for you. So this is where the shakes come in. You can replace one meal with one shake. And there's loads of different flavours. I've got chocolate flavour here today. So let's talk about the shakes in a little more detail. Each shake has 25% of your recommended daily allowance of vitamins and minerals. They're only around 200 calories, and also they've got a really good amount of protein in there, approximately 17 grams. So this is great if you're exercising, but even if you're not, protein is really important for your body's growth and repair, and it helps keep you feeling full for longer. If you're following any of the Acti diet plans, these shakes can make a great replacement for your breakfast, lunch, or a snack if you're following the 7-day shred, flexi diet, or intense diet. So let me show you how to make them up. This is the chocolate flavour one. All you need is 310 millilitres of cold water, which I have in my jug right here. You need just that one sachet, and depending on what flavour you like, choose which one you like. I've gone for chocolate today. All you do is simply grab yourself your Acti shaker. I'm going to pour it into the Acti shaker. Ta-da! In goes the water. And make sure the lid's on nice and tight. And that's down too. It's going to go everywhere. Not what you want. Nice and tight. And then you want to shake it like a Polaroid picture. It's also a good arm workout as well. Added bonus there. Okay. Think that should do it. You just add the water, add the shake it up in your Acti shaker, grab and go. It's a really easy one for when you're busy, on the go, off to work, picking up the kids, whatever you're doing. That's the easy version. If you fancy something a little bit more indulgent and a little bit more creamy, then what you can do is you can add ice, add half the amount of recommended water, pop it in a blender, blend it up so it becomes nice and thick and creamy. Super creamy, delicious milkshake drink that can be enjoyed on a hot summer's day. So I'm going to show you what it looks like in a glass now. Now I've shaken it on up. Smells so chocolatey and super delicious. Easy as that. 25% of your recommended daily allowance of vitamins and minerals. Got a good amount of protein in there and low in calories. So there we go, an Acti-Labs shake, helping to make dieting easier and tastier.